What's going on, Joy fam? Really quick before the video starts, I'm giving away a free iPhone X. Guys, I spent $1,100 on this phone. I don't even have an iPhone X yet. This thing is brand new, still with the plastic. If you guys want to win this, all you have to do is subscribe and turn on bell notifications. I'm going to be giving away this iPhone X in a giveaway that is only going to last for 1 hour. So you guys will only have one chance to win it. And I'm only going to be giving away to someone in the live stream. If you guys want a hint when I'll be doing this giveaway, follow my social media down in the description, my Snapchat and Instagram. I will be giving away hints when I'll be doing this giveaway, and you will have a really good chance at winning this iPhone X. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video.
What is going on, Joy fam? Welcome back to another video. We are at the New York arcade today, playing some of their arcade games. We actually just arrived at Vegas yesterday, and we came here yesterday. I found Full Tilt was really easy to win. I could hit it almost every time. Same with Space Invaders Frenzy. The high score has not gone up yet. So I'm gonna show you guys. But enter my card, I'll show you how many times. I've got about 43,000 tickets. Check this out, guys. Check how many times I've gotten Full Tilt. But look how many times I've played Full Tilt, guys, and how many times I've got the jackpots. All the reds are jackpots. So if I can show you guys how many times I got in the jackpot, it is quite a bit. So we're gonna be playing Full Tilt here. I need about 8,000 more, so I can get a Gopro Hero 5, which is worth about $300. I've spent about 150 so far. So we're gonna see if we can play Full Tilt more and win that right now. I'll show you guys how I get the jackpot almost every time. It's very easy. Start here, go to this ledge, go to here, and go into the jackpot. Guys, if I... Wow! You can do this to deflate the ball a little bit so it doesn't bounce so much. Once I run out, I'm just gonna go play Space Invaders. See how it bounced from there to there? That's 9. That's 10. Alright, 6 more jackpots. Wow. Okay, that's okay. The button is sticking.
Got it, finally. Oh my god. Oh.
Heck yes, guys. Aaron got it.
I had to do it.
You weren't as bad as I
It took me like 5 tries.
So here I go. Okay, choice right here. Let's see, come on, line me up, baby. Big money.
Skip you?
Let's go for a different one. Let's try that. Come on. Oh man. Okay, well, we didn't win it. I think I might. Ooh, cross the road. That's a go-to. Look at 400 credits over a freaking That's $40. Someone put tape over it.
It's so you don't win. They know if you
No, guys, this is illegal at this machine. Isn't that illegal?
win. Wait. Hold on.
Guys, there's tape over this.
Wait, I'm gonna try the bottom row. And it's rigged.
That's right.
Wait,
Dude,
what?
that's illegal, right?
Well, no,
You
they
can't
do
make
that.
people not have the chance to win.
They do that so you know they win. Because the tape will be broken.
How do you know how sticky it is? What if it just pushes? Guys, that's not, you can't do that.
I'm gonna try this one.
I'm just gonna try this big choice. I don't trust these though. There's no machine in New York that pays out well. It's like Vegas, guys. It's terrible.
Well, it's kind of where we're at.
I know, but it's just like the casino. Like they don't give any.
Okay, what
wiggle
about this one? This one's like right on
What
top.
about that one?
Well, this one has like less style.
Go for the green one.
They're all green.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Ooh.
look. See how bad that is? Like, tell me that's not terrible. So Aaron's playing this Angry
I'm gonna
Bird.
try with this Angry Bird. I like the way the claw shape's for it.
I like the way you're.
Ooh, first try?
Oh my god. Oh.
Are you
Sad. Tragic. Well, guys, we just got a double invader bonus. Aaron wasn't recording, but I'll try to get it again on camera. It's this game. If I can describe this game in one word, it's anxiety. Because once they start moving down, your heart is like, it's like dealing with like all of like your responsibilities. But I'm comparing it to an arcade game. I don't know what I'm saying right now, guys, but look at this. We got 235 here. We got 230. And one thing that's cool is these guys have been helping me out. They're telling me what my score is while I'm trying to get more points. So shout outs to them. Their links will be in the description. Roly Poly, go subscribe. You just started a new channel, Claw Kicker. Y'all don't need to subscribe to. I mean, you can if you want. They'll be down in the description.
You're
I'm gonna get the high score, guys.
32,000.
Alright, so I'm gonna attempt to do the double jackpot, guys. So here we go. 24,000 we got here.
8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, 15,000, 16,000, 17,000, 18,000, 19,000, 20,000, 21,000, 22,000, 23,000, jackpot. Stop.
I'm gonna keep going.
Okay.
This is my last prize, so let's see how far I can go. Alright guys, we did it. My arms freaking hurt, dude. Alright guys, I just hit my last jackpot. I am so tired. I'm ready to get this GoPro. Let's go get it. I have my card here. Let's go buy it from the redemption center.
Dude, Will, just act all casual.
I know,
Just
right?
be like, yeah, can I get the GoPro?
Be like, can I get candy, toys, GoPro?
No, just act super casual. Like, act like you do this all the time.
No, it's fine.
Yeah.
Actually, I think I just want some candy, guys. I don't really want a GoPro. I think I'm just gonna take a full. Well,
53,000. You guys get to put your names on the highest I've ever seen.
Really? You've never seen someone get that much?
I've been here for 2 months. Second highest I've seen is 36,000.
Have you
That
seen?
was all today, pretty much, too. I'm so tired.
Thank you, Mike.
Mostly. Yeah.
Which one gave more tickets?
What's that?
Which one gave more tickets? Okay. 61. Wow. Congratulations on
Thank you. Yeah, no, it took a long time. We were here for about 5 hours.
second biggest prize.